Hello everyone. Now we're going to look in our genetics notes, and this is double award biology and also GCSE biology, unit 2.4b. So if you get your genetics notes out and go to page 14, you'll see that it's about karyotypes. Now we looked at this arrangement before. So on the left we've got someone's chromosomes, and on the right we've got them just reorganized into their 23 homologous pairs. You know that humans should have 46 chromosomes, and that's 23 homologous pairs. And really this photograph on the right is called a karyotype, and we've got two here, and they tell us quite a lot about the person. So if we look at the one on the left, we can see that there are, let me just count here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 pairs of chromosomes. Now they have got X and Y written down there. You can see there's two X's, no Y's. So straight away, we know that that person is female because they have two X's. And the person on the right, whose karyotype that is, well, they again have 46 chromosomes. This is a 22nd pair, and this is the 23rd pair. So they've got one big one, so that's the X chromosome, and the small one is the Y chromosome. So we know that that person is male. So if you go to your notes on page 13, that's a diagram on the right of a karyotype. We've explained what it is. And if you want to do a quick check, you can do that, but I am telling you there are 46 chromosomes there. And it's worth highlighting homologous pairs there. And we've said that there are 23 of those. Circle the sex chromosomes. Okay, those are the sex chromosomes. And X and Y, what sex is this person? Male. Well, that's because he has X, Y. Okay. Underneath it, we've got another person's karyotype over on the left. And if you want to very quickly just check, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and that's 23. So again, they've got 23 pairs, so that's 46 chromosomes. What sex is this person? Well, they've got two X chromosomes, two big ones, so they are female. And the explanation. Okay. Now you might remember in year 10 learning about Down syndrome. Now all of these children here have got Down syndrome. And a syndrome is a condition that has a lot of different effects. So it's not just one thing that makes these children different from other children, but there are a number of characteristics that they will share in common. And obviously the physical characteristics in the shape of their face, but there's other things associated there. They wouldn't have the same mental capacity as the average person, and they would have other issues as well. Now, you remember that someone with Down syndrome has an extra chromosome. So if you look very closely at the ones on the right here, so that's okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. That's it there. 22 and 23 are okay, but 21, instead of having two chromosomes, they've got 3. So what's unusual about this person's chromosomes? Whoops. Basically, they've got an extra one. And I suppose we could write down they have an extra 21st chromosome. That would be better if you could fit that in. What condition does this person have? Well, we've just said that it's Down's syndrome. Okay, we're asked another question. Is the person male or female? Well, over there we can see the sex chromosomes are XX, so XX is female. Explain. Okay, there we go. So she's 2 X's, therefore she's female. That's us. Bye.